Hi everyone! We're back again to another session of Arts and Crafts, and you are with me again, Teacher Lynette, and I am here to show you today how to make this. This is what we call the pop-up butterfly card. And when you open it, you would see this big butterfly greeting you. So are you excited to do this? I am excited to show you how. So get your materials and we will begin. So I have this Oslo paper and we will cut it into two by folding it in half, and we will use this crosswise sheet of paper for our card. But this size is really flexible, so it depends on you on what size you'd like to do with your card. So now let's get one sheet and we will fold it in the middle and have like a card. So with the opening facing on the right side, we will then use this surface to decorate on our card. We can play around the color of the butterfly's wings and imagine on what colors you would like to see on its wings. Be creative as much as you can. So pick your favorite colors. So there we have it, our design for the cover of our card. I bet you will also do a good job in designing your card. Then let's set this aside and we will get the second paper and we will fold it again in half, and this time we will be drawing the half portion of the butterfly while the paper is folded. So it would create a symmetrical look later when we unfold the paper. So it's up to you which side you are comfortable drawing, which side of the butterfly, the right wing or the left wing. So as for me, I'm comfortable drawing on the left wing, so I would flip my paper here with the opening towards the left. Leave some space below as we'll be writing something later on. Okay, so let's get our pen and let's start drawing the head and the body of the butterfly. So I will get the colors that I used a while ago, and this is the same color that I will also use to make colors of the wings. Okay, so now we are done putting colors on the left side of the wing of the butterfly, and we will get our scissors and This time we would carefully cut along the outline of the butterfly here, only on the top and at the bottom outline. We will not cut this part as we need this to be attached to our paper. Careful in handling your scissors. You might want to use a smaller pair of scissors so that you can have a control over your cutting. So I would cut the top portion of the wings only up to here. Or maybe I can cut a little bit further on the second round. I have decided to cut until here because this part, either this one or this one, is the outer portion of the outline of the left wing, the upper part. So now on the lower part, this one seems to be the outer portion of the outline. So I would cut from here going until here. Now it's time to open our card. Let's flatten it. And then this time, we would continue putting colors and putting up the right wing. So just try copying the shape on the left side so that you would have a similar look of the wing. If it's not very similar, it's okay. So now I would be putting the black marker here on the outer layer of this cut shape of the butterfly. Now we have drawn the outline and it's time to put the colors again. So let's not forget to put a face on our butterfly, and we're going to put the eyes and we will make it smile. So we're almost finished on coloring our butterfly. Just this one left, the body. Now our butterfly has completely come to life. So what we're going to do next, we would try putting a ruler here from the end of our cut from the top to the bottom, and we would pop out our butterfly and fold it to the opposite direction. This will create a pattern later when we fold our card. So we're going to do the same on the other side. This may be tricky, so just be careful when you do it. By folding it here, we can see that the butterfly is starting to really pop out. So that when we close our card, the butterfly would fold on its own, like this. So just press it to really secure the fold and open it again. Now this is what it looks like. Now we will write another tagline here inside our card, and we can say, "In Him we have new life." So we can add small dots again that will look like our butterfly is flying around. Okay, we will set the color pencils aside and we will get our cover card, the one we did a while ago. So now we will paste this one inside. Make sure you have the correct orientation in front so that when you open it, your card is facing the same direction. Get your glue or paste, and we will put a generous amount only here on the border of the cover card. So if there is excess paper here, you can just cut it out so that you can have a cleaner finish. Ta-da! This is now how it looks. Yay! You finally finished your artwork. So how do you find it? You know, you can do this in any animals or insects or shapes that you like. And what's important is that you just apply the same process that I taught you today. For today, we did butterfly based from our story when Nicodemus had a talk with Jesus Christ. And we know that butterfly symbolizes new life. So, it means when we believe or trust in Jesus Christ, in Him, we can find new life. We would be born again. And next week, we have Father's Day event, and it would be another exciting Sunday to do more crafts. Okay? So, I hope to see you again next week. Bye!